Ever found yourself in a pickle trying to decide between Statsmodels and Scikit-learn? Well, you're not alone. These two libraries are the titans of Python's statistical and machine learning landscape, but each has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Imagine a world where data is a raw, unpolished gemstone. Statsmodels and Scikit-learn are the skilled jewelers, each with a different set of tools and techniques, ready to transform this gemstone into a sparkling diamond. On one side, we have Statsmodels, a library that prides itself on being a powerful tool for statistical modeling. It's like the wise old sage of the data world, providing a comprehensive collection of statistical models that can be used to conduct robust and detailed exploratory data analysis. With Statsmodels, you can delve into the nitty-gritty details of your data, running hypothesis tests, generating p-values, and creating confidence intervals. But what about Scikit-learn? Well, it's more like a swift ninja, agile and robust, ready to tackle any machine learning problem thrown its way. It's an all-in-one package, providing simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. With Scikit-learn, you can build predictive models using a variety of machine learning algorithms, from simple linear regression to complex neural networks. So, which one is better, you may ask? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both are fruits, but their taste, texture, and nutritional content vary greatly. Similarly, Statsmodels and Scikit-learn are both powerful in their own right, but their application depends on your specific needs. If you want to dive deep into your data, understand every minute detail, and answer specific statistical questions, then Statsmodels is your go-to. But if you're looking to build predictive models, classify data, or perform other machine learning tasks, then Scikit-learn is your best bet. In essence, Statsmodels is like a scalpel, precise and detailed, while Scikit-learn is more like a Swiss Army knife, versatile and ready for any challenge. Remember, the key is not to choose one over the other, but rather to understand when to use each tool. Statsmodels for in-depth statistical analysis and Scikit-learn for machine learning tasks. So, the next time you find yourself in a conundrum, remember this: Statsmodels and Scikit-learn, each a master of its own domain, ready to help you uncover the secrets hidden within your data. After all, in the world of data analysis, the right tool can make all the difference.